So you want to talk about the roof of Africa? Grab a metaphorical oxygen mask, because we're heading to Tanzania to chat about Mount Kilimanjaro. First off, let's clear up a common misconception. Kilimanjaro isn't just a mountain. It's a giant, slumbering volcano. Well, 3 volcanoes, actually. Shira, Mwenzi, and the big boss in the middle, Kibo. While Shira and Mwenzi are extinct, Kibo is technically dormant. That means it's just taking a very long nap, though the smell of sulfur near the crater is a polite reminder that the Earth is still cooking down there. What makes Kili so iconic isn't just its height, though at 5,895 meters, 19,341 feet, it's the tallest freestanding mountain in the world. It's the sheer drama of the climb. When you hike Kilimanjaro, you aren't just walking uphill. You're basically walking from the equator to the North Pole in about 5 to 7 days. The 5 climate zones. The mountain is like a layered cake of ecosystems. You start in the cultivation zone, lots of coffee and bananas, move into a lush rainforest, hit the eerie moorland with its prehistoric-looking plants, cross the desolate alpine desert, and finally reach the Arctic summit. By the time you get to the top, you're standing on glaciers just a few miles away from the tropical savannas. It's a total trip for your brain and your internal thermostat. Can just anyone climb it? Here's the deal. You don't need ropes, harnesses, or technical climbing skills to reach Uhuru Peak. It's often called a walk-up mountain. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's a stroll in the park. The real final boss of Kilimanjaro isn't the terrain, it's the altitude. The air at the summit has about half the oxygen it does at sea level. This is why you'll hear guides constantly chanting pole, pole, pronounced pole, pole, which is Swahili for slowly, slowly. If you try to rush it, your head will feel like it's being squeezed by a giant, and your stomach will definitely lodge a formal protest. Why do people do it? Beyond the bragging rights and the I Climbed Kili t-shirt, there's something spiritual about it. Watching the sunrise over the clouds from the crater rim is one of those forget to breathe moments, though to be fair, you're already struggling to breathe at that height. Sadly, those famous snows of Kilimanjaro are disappearing. The glaciers have shrunk by over 80% since the early 1900s. Scientists think they might be gone entirely within the next few decades, which makes it a bucket list item with a literal ticking clock. So if you're looking for a challenge that involves breathtaking views, a test of pure grit, and the chance to stand on top of a continent, Kili is calling. Just remember to pack your warm socks and a lot of patience. Ready to start training?